FXBros.
What a day, what a day. Yes, sir. Fucking markets. Let's see how much down I am. I was almost about to hit 400. I added to sales. And I added to buys on AU. That extra buy on AU, I'm down 10 pips. No, 16, 15 pips. And the short, the extra short I put on UJ, I'm down. Motherfucker. Down 100 pips. Son of a bitch. Let me close that. That's ridiculous. Lose that $10. It's all good. 15 pips on AUs. Not bad. Let's see. On the 1 hour. 47, 15 minutes. Let's see if it takes another sell now. Let's try it out. Let's try another one. AU has been coming back down. And I see, where did I buy? I bought that second AU long at 729. Let's put a buy right there. Right there. That'll be the stop. It was already above 70 cents. So 1 to 1. 1 to 2 is all the way to 71. Yeah. I don't know. She might be right. We might be setting up for sales. We got that 1 hour bearish engulf, but not the 4 hour. Got this one right here that came 6 a.m. London again did not sweep. Asian, New York swept the Asian lows. So based on this kind of support from over here, we should be going higher. So that's really what I'm worried about. With the dollar doing. I need to be going down. The other guy keep an eye on the dollar. One thing that finally happened, we broke 7,000 on the S&P index, S&P 500. Starting to sell off. See what we got other. Yeah, what they call it, evening star. You trade that candlestick pattern for evening star, and it's working out real good for sales on S&P. But let's see how far it goes. I'm pretty sure it's dropping like a motherfucker. But I know the big news that everybody waiting on, which probably what it's digging for, that bitch may come all the way down to 69.60. Fuck it, yeah, 69.60. Because we have interest rate news coming out today at 1 o'clock. If we look at today, refresh this and sign back in. Look like that today. We have in 2 hours and 7 minutes, we got the federal rate. Right now we're at 3.75, and that's it. Right. Got to pull it up on the chart, man.
Yo, what's poppin'?
It's popping. Can you hear me?
Yeah. What's poppin'? You hear me? What's poppin' lot?
It is, yeah.
Yeah,
That Walmart look crazy, bro.
man, fuck Walmart.
Mm-hmm.
I ain't even tripping no more, bro. Not even about to look at markets today, bro. They got it. Everything that moved already. Everything did the moves overnight.
I ain't gonna lie.
Markets a little high. Markets a little high to be trying to trade, man. I think everything need to just do some drops. Unless you're doing some sales, I wouldn't be in it too much. Everything already up high. I mean, unless you know something I don't know, probably can find something. I just
I
don't
wonder how
think
they
it's
react to this to the what you call them news though. The interest rate.
might go up off of it, off of the news. You already know. They cut them rates,
Right.
new highs. It had to take the rates though to do it because market's been ass. Yeah, I mean the rate cuts might push stuff up. I mean, I'm just looking at everything, and that shit just man, especially gold. Gold so down bad, bro.
I ain't even
I
look at
swear
gold.
for God, bro.
I ain't
I'm
even
supposed to
look
be
at
at
gold.
1,500 points from my entry, bro. From my original entry, I'd be
That's
at
crazy.
$1,500, dog. They did that
That's
shit so
crazy.
bad, dog. Like they literally went. I was up 300. That bitch came all the way down to market open, and then some. Then shot that bitch up
Right.
fast. That shit was crazy. They be bad, boy. They be bad. All my trades, they been wrong. I'm thinking I could hold Walmart. Walmart not play.
But,
I seen it falling though. Like when I was telling y'all, I wanted to close at that break even.
mhm.
And then sure enough, bro.
I mean, what happened with gold?
You don't remember
What you just got out early or some shit?
when I no, I got stopped out. Remember I was up 300 on the I got in at 50-50. And then I was up
Oh
300 from
yeah.
when that bitch went to 110. Then that bitch just started faltering. That bitch dropped below like buku trend lines and lows and everything. That bitch just broke everything just to go close that gap. But the thing about it is this bitch got so many gaps, bro. This the first time this bitch decided to close a gap
Oh,
in weeks, bro. Like in literal, it been gapping up every week. And that bitch this the week it decided to close the gap first. So when it I'm up 300, that bitch came all the way down, stopped me out at I lost 100. You heard me? Then that bitch sprung up. I'm supposed to be up like right now. Literally, I'd be up $1,500
that's crazy, dog.
from that position, dog. So they knew what the fuck they was doing. You know what I'm saying?
There must have been a shitload of people in right there.
Yeah, they were
For them
trying
to
to
want, like
get
you said, for them
everybody
to
up.
want to like close the gap that early in the week, like that's lucky.
Everybody was on it, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody was on it. They did that bad, bro.
So that's right when it broke 5,000. So you know that made headline news. Everybody started hopping in that bit.
Yeah, that bitch came all the way back, went under $5, 49.90, then shot, sprung up to 5,300, bro. Come on now, bro. Like I'm so done with the markets this week, dog.
It's
Nigga
still going up.
can't have nothing, bro. That should be crazy, bro. That bitch did 100 points overnight, 120 points overnight,
Wow.
and when it hit 120 at 53.10, it dropped. That's when it started dropping. I said that's why I said just fuck it. I don't even want it, bro. That bitch now I want to do 120. You know what I'm saying? And hold up and come back to it and shit.
That shit crazy. I didn't even know it hit 53.
That bitch at 5,300, bro. I was in that 50. Nigga would literally be up $1,500 like off of that call. That's why I was trying to hold it. You hear me? I was like, I don't want no 300. I know what this mother about to do for the week. You hear me? Bitch, I want the whole enchilada.
Wednesday.
And that bitch took off, bro. I mean, that bitch played everybody first. And I started to get right back in, but it was like, bro, ain't no telling what this thing about to do. Everybody kept calling sales and shit.
Hell no, nigga. Like it's economically, it's not sales. Until that shit change, like, boy, this probably the best thing you could dollar cost average into.
Yeah.
And I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna fucking lie. The S&P and the stock market, yeah, this I think it's gonna range. I don't think it's gonna do as great as people think. I think we're gonna see some highs and stuff, but I think all the biggest companies when in using a capital expenditure to invest in the AI, like all this AI build out, like this shit ain't gonna be up and running and really churning out profits until like 2030. So I think from now until 2029, it's just going to be accumulation phase. It's going to be a lot of stop runs, a lot of trying to get people out, you know. And after that,
From now
if
until
you
2029.
yeah, 2029 and then going into 2030, like if you holding some shares, like if you was accumulating shares and ETFs and all that shit at that time, I think that's when the expansion go really fucking like take the fuck off again. Like after
Yeah.
that.
Well, I'm a build my account up until then.
Yeah, no, for real. Because I was listening to our key people we listen to get our news from and shit, and just listening to all the different companies that's investing into AI build out and how much they believe in that. Like that's the new future, and then how they talking about like AI gonna start to develop their own economy. Like it's just gonna get so smart that bitch is gonna have its own fucking economy. If you can invest into an AI company that was built by AI, like no human intervention. Like that bitch just said,
Hmm.
"I'm gonna build a company, bitch," and I'm gonna,
Hmm.
you hear me? Like no prompts type shit. So it's like, yeah, we niggas go fuck around have an AI stock market type shit just for the AI companies. There ain't no telling how big crazy this shit could go, but as far as the infrastructure, that shit like a minimum of 4 years. Like everybody's saying 2030, 20, like from Microsoft to Nvidia to fucking CoreWeave and they partnerships and
Yeah.
Apple, like it's gonna take 4 years. So right now is accumulation phase. Like a lot of people gonna get,
Right.
may possibly prices pulled back to like they gonna be like, oh shit, like nigga, I would never think it'd come back here. Like maybe gold might come back into the 4K after it hit 6,000. Who knows? We don't know, but it's just gonna be a lot of accumulation, like just dollar cost average. Just no matter what the price is, just buy the shit. And yeah, nigga should be good, to ride that wave. Like if I have a hefty little portfolio, just running it the fuck up.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah,
treat
bro.
these
For
damn
real, boy,
options
I'm
like
snipering it out, bro.
yeah, we gotta scalp these options, man. Like, I'm on
I'm
and
about to
thinking
start
of that.
sniping. Yeah.
I'm kind of low key, kind of want to get out of my damn ET position because I don't feel long term on that company. That was more so a gamble and it was affordable, but it's kind of on that shit like nigga, I made enough on that bitch as far as what I'm gonna make.
Yeah, nah, I feel you, dog. Let
Like
me
that
look at it.
prior to fucking next
I mean,
year,
that bitch is still
January.
going, though.
True, Well, I just don't know. I just don't know about
If it's still going and it ain't showing no faltering. If it ain't showing no faltering, like right now on the day chart, that bitch look like it's breaking out. That bitch pushing.
right. But
That
I'm
bitch,
looking at it like
that bitch
this.
making new highs as we speak. This bitch about to go to 1850.
True.
Like tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at the week chart. Nah, bro, this bitch look good, bro. I hold this bitch at least until 1870, 1860. One of them
Right.
two.
Yeah, I see. But I
I
was
mean,
thinking about getting
at
up this
least
shit. Yeah.
watch it on a 4 hour chart or something. You know what I'm saying? And if it ain't break no lows, like that bitch
I
look
like that
good though.
weekly. The weekly look good. Just be patient and let the weekly go.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
Until you get a
I wouldn't
bearish.
get out of there. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's a runner.
Yeah,
That bitch destruction look beautiful on that 4 hour too.
nah,
It's
for
going for new highs, breaking out. If you could get it to close above that high, that 1833, 834 area, if you could get a good close on that 4 hour up there, oh yeah, that's a guarantee for more highs. It's like an indication, like yo, I want to do more type shit.
right.
Yeah.
Oil and gas and pipeline.
Huh?
You know what I'm saying? That's the sector they're in. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm just kind of right to the gap. Let's see. Yeah, the tide is getting bigger. We about to see how big that bitch gonna be at 1 o'clock. If these niggas gonna react, it's just like I'm kind of looking at this sell-off as in anticipation for the rate cut. Like it gotta pull back to go higher. Can't just keep going up. So they needed a reason. Like shit, it's engineer sale on everything. It's crazy though. The S&P is making a lot of gains. Just made a new high, 7,000. Something pushing. What's up today like that? The market is bloody than a bit. Nvidia up 1%. That's what it is. Nvidia up 1%.
But Nasdaq should be dropping. US 30 is like a break even situation. Nothing really pushing right now. Everything waiting on the rate cuts.
Yeah,
Nothing is moving. S&P is actually -6 for the -5 for the day. It's just waiting for the rate cuts to pick a decision. Look like
that's crazy, boy. These niggas about to cut that bitch 1%. Market gonna go stupid dumb.
they need to fucking put ad rates, stupid ass. Ad so this bitch could drop, stupid. Drop
Hey,
everything.
you
Fuck,
say you
just
want the
drop.
nigga to increase the rates?
Yeah, increase the rates. Fuck that. Drop the entire market. Make everybody be so surprised. Oh shit! Collapse their ass. You heard me? And then drop them the next 4 times, and then they gonna be like, "Wait, I'm so confused. Why the fuck did they do that?" Because they wanted to make Powell happy that one time, just so he could shut the fuck up. And then they just gonna start dropping them bitches. I'm telling you, watch people about to be confused as fuck. This makes no fucking sense. Actually, it makes all the sense.
Yeah.
Powell was getting disgruntled. That's why they got all this shit going on with him right now.
Right.
Y'all niggas. You know he a Democrat ass nigga.
Powell? That's why he be wearing a blue tie all the time?
I'm joked out. Didn't that boy get his position from the last president?
Not that I know of. I think he's been in there for a good
he
little
been in
minute.
office.
Yeah, since
that's what I'm saying.
Since like Obama type shit.
Exactly. Yeah. Since Democrats was running.
Right.
Republicans running this shit now.
Right.
And that boy is not having it. You hear me?
Nah. I'm trying to catch these damn sales.
They trying to get him out there.
I might have to,
you know.
Too much money.
What that boy job is? Let me see. What's Powell's job?
What, the chairman of the Fed? The governor of the Fed? One of the governors? However they look at that shit.
Jerome Powell is the chair of the U.S. Federal Reserve, meaning he leads the central bank responsible for U.S. monetary policy, overseeing interest rates and regulating banks to promote stable prices and maximum employment, influencing the entire economy through decisions on borrowing costs and financial stability. What Powell does as Fed chair, monetary policy, sets interest rates like the benchmark federal fund rates, and manages the money supply through the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, to control inflation and support job growth. Financial stability regulates banks, monitors economic trends, and acts to prevent financial crisis, as seen during the COVID-19 pandemic when the Fed intervened to stabilize markets. Economic forecasting studies economic data to forecast the nation's economic direction and guide policy. Leadership guides the Fed's overall policy, communicates with Congress and the public, and represents the U.S. Central Bank globally. His key role as the head of the central bank, Powell is one of the most influential figures in global finance, impacting everything from mortgage rates and loan costs to overall economic health. Well, that's a lesson for everybody. Today, what is the?
And I think he gonna be on the board for like another 8 or 10 years. Even though he's not gonna be the chairman, he gonna still be on the board
of the Federal Reserve. Yeah. Chair of the. So yeah, they probably be controlling that man. Man, sick of this shit. Yeah, that's why they got all this investigating and shit. Wasn't they just investigating?
Yeah. I forgot about that shit. See, that's what I'm saying, bro. They be doing all this. They got ICE. Like, everybody worried about all the people that's not investing worry about ICE, and we over here worried about if they trying to throw this nigga in jail or not. That ain't no top news nowhere. Damn, the nigga who control the whole monetary policy is getting investigated.
Like, I wonder why. He probably ain't want to cut them rates.
Yeah, that's what it was. But the reason they put in the story was
you better cut these rates.
It's because of the money he's spending to refurbish the federal building.
Excuse me, I'm gonna do it.
He getting the damn. They getting new marble floors and golden handles on the damn toilets and shit, and they mad.
No.
Nah, for real. That nigga said,
Where you doing that at?
The Federal Reserve buildings, I guess, out there in Washington. They doing an upgrade right now. So yeah, he probably going crazy in that bitch. That nigga probably got fountains and shit on the outside, man. New elevators, you know what I mean? Spending that bag. And I'ma laugh when the new Fed chair come in here. That boy will cut. He said, they gonna cut everything. Nigga, how much the interest rate is? 2%? All right, we cutting by 2%. Nigga, let's ride them. Let's ride this market to the moon, man. Nah, for real. Whoever Trump go put in that bitch or get in it, boy, he about to be another extension of Trump, boy.
So just to refresh, when they cut rates, that means the bank loans and stuff are supposed to get lower and things like that over time.
Money. Yeah, it's cheaper to borrow money for these companies to go out and expand their businesses. So the stock market loves rate cuts. And typically, which it don't happen all the time, but more so than not, the market goes up off of a rate cut. But as we looking at certain markets, they dropping, and I'm thinking they engineering the sale to anticipate another rate cut, so they could
push that one. Have something to spring off.
Yeah, give them something to spring off. You can't jump off of already being in the sky. You got to come back down and jump. Nigga can't jump while you in the sky. You gotta, you know what I'm saying? That ain't how a jump works. You gotta come back down.
So you can, Michael Jordan.
Stop, man.
Can't fly.
Yeah, we all ain't Jordan out here, man. We gotta come back down.
Look, everybody can't be gold.
Nah, facts. You see what I just did? I put another rocket ship on that bit. I was like, yeah, gold about to go crazy again this year.
Crazy work, bro. Just go, man. If you can, that's why I say I might just try to load up on 0.01, bro. If I could just get in anywhere with a 0.01, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And that way, if it go up, I just add another one. If it go down, I just add another one.
Right. Yeah,
niggas said no matter what it do,
dollar cost average. That's what you're doing. Yeah, for real. I mean, like I was out of anything. Gold is the one to do that with. I mean, of course you want to do that with damn near everything, but gold for sure, bro. Like,
that's indeed, bro.
It's just like, I mean, you got two things working for gold. One is some of the use cases, material wise. Two, the damn uncertainty about the dollar, which is the world reserve currency. And three, the damn economic uncertainty, which makes people want to run to gold and a more safer asset. So you got all that working for gold? Like, yeah, bro.
Yeah.
This bitch needs something dumb to happen for it to sell out. Like kind of what it did at the end of the year last year in December. That bitch just sold out like a good $300-400 right quick. But did not continue. That's the only thing. Shit, what is 200? Wow. So what's the ATR? What's the damn average true range for the damn monthly around this bitch for gold?
Good question.
I bet you that bitch $1,000.
That bitch next.
Bro, look at the monthly, dog.
Man, I'm not, bro. I'm not. I'm so mad, son.
Dog, that bitch.
I'm so mad, son. $1,500 from yesterday, son. I'd have made
Bruh.
$1,500 in one day.
That bitch the same length as August, September, and October of last year combined. This 1 month, and we not even done yet with January. Lord have mercy. That shit
I hope that
crazy.
bitch drop all the way back to the motherfucking beginning of the motherfucker.
Bro,
All the way
that
back to the
shit
bottom.
scary, dog.
And then I wouldn't be scared. I'd be happy. I'd be buying the fuck out that bitch at the bottom.
Shit, niggas buying that bitch
I'd
at the
be
top,
back.
seem like.
Yeah.
The way this bitch keep going up.
Yeah, they most definitely is, bro. That bitch refused to fall. That shit is crazy. Niggas don't even at this point. It's FOMO.
Nah, facts. Yeah, like I said, bro, it looked good, it sound good, and this will be a first if it continues like this. But yeah, typically the market does reverse after all these highs. But like I said, we are not in typical times in the economy right now. Like this shit crazy. We got a whole new monetary system we trying to interject into the world at the same time. The dollar is falling. Like we ain't never been
They
here
better not
before.
do that dumb ass shit, boy. They talking about no dollars, no cash, physical cash. Well, lost their motherfucking mind.
Shit, that's what they going for. The tokenize everything.
Yeah, but they gonna
All
try
that
to
shit will be on the
monitor your damn
blockchain.
money. We gotta
Nah, for real.
approve that shit as the people, bro. Like, ain't no way. Like, you can't do that shit without our approval.
Shit,
Bro, nigga ain't going for that shit, bro.
yeah,
He gonna be
you're
able to
right.
shut down
Ain't
your
gone
account
for
and
it.
shit. Bro, I'm not going for that shit, bro. Man, I'll be outside with a fucking pickaxe and a sign. You heard me? With the little picket sign thing shit.
Yeah,
Boy, I'll be outside protesting, boy.
no, but
I swear to God, son. I'll be outside protesting they do that shit. Cause they really just trying to control us at that point. You know
yeah,
what I'm saying?
and
They
then
can shut down
they can shut down shit.
everything you doing, like your whole motion gone. You heard me? You can't do nothing no more at this point. Nah, fuck that, bro.
But you
I don't
gotta
know
think
what y'all
about it.
think.
The dollar is in circulation because we believe in it. So they may not accept it, but if you still want to go buy a car from your partner, he probably gonna accept that dollar because he know he could go to a store that's gonna accept it. You know what I'm saying? Like it could stay in circulation. Like you may not be able to take it to your bank, but you
Bro,
could
I
damn
would
sure
still
spend that
be
shit on the street.
right, I'm telling you, bro.
Like
I'd
for
be
real.
really
Like
still
it'll
using the
have I
dollar,
think it'll
bro.
still have a purpose. Even if the banks and shit say like we don't accept dollars no more. Like I think people
Cause
still
that's
gonna use
crazy,
that bit.
bro. Y'all can't just change the fucking system without our approval, bro. We the fucking people, not fucking y'all. The people, bitch.
Shit.
Fucking the
They
government,
gotta
the
read
people.
that big beautiful bill that nigga created. It's probably all up in that bitch. The using term agreements. The shit we be
They
clicking
always
through.
coming up with some stuff, bro. That's crazy. Like, I'm not going for it, bro. I'm serious. That's
Like,
ridiculous.
that shit would be crazy.
Y'all heard it here first.
I already know.
Boy, niggas is not going for that, man. And it's crazy. How you gonna tell me I gotta use cards and you know what I'm saying? They gonna next thing you know, they gonna be using your wrist as the payment. You can
Fuck
scan your
that.
wrist
That's what I'm not going
you know
for.
what I'm saying?
I ain't getting no
That's what it's ultimately going to, bro.
Yeah, I
Like
already
that's
know.
what they trying to push. Like that's what they doing. They trying to turn us into a digital. That's why people scared of this AI shit because it's like, bro, y'all doing too much. Y'all doing entirely too much. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Like this is what they going for, bro.
I already know.
That's why I'm not about to let them stop. If I got something to do with it, bro, I
Yeah,
would literally be outside, bro. I would be on online protesting everything. I'm not,
I
bro. I'll be
already
the
know.
biggest activist in the world, dog. They gonna turn niggas into activists around here for real. I'm telling you. I'm not
Yeah,
going for none of this. Y'all tripping.
And I don't think they even want that. Because
telling you,
all what happened with at the Capitol, like that's the
bro,
minimum of what can happen.
bro,
Like, that was just some play shit.
bro. Nigga
They
is
don't
not
want that
going
to
for it.
happen, man.
And I ain't doing nothing like them. That was some white people stuff, but I'm just saying.
But now I'm just saying too, like that's how it's gonna be. Like people ain't gonna be going to work.
If my people get mad and they start doing, yeah, niggas ain't going to work and all. I mean, I be with it. Niggas been saying stop going to work, dog. I ain't got no job, so
You already good.
you heard me? Like, I'm just saying, bro. Like,
Nah, I hate it. They don't want that shit to happen. They're gonna have
I
to
appreciate
do it
people that
in
do go
such
to work,
a player ass type of way, but
but
to where it's like a spoon feed type situation, or to make us feel like we have something. Because I mean, ultimately, they don't want us to own nothing. They want us to rent where we
everybody's
live
gonna
at,
get
rent
$100,000. Nope,
type shit,
nope. Stupid
That's
ass.
how
You
it's
thought
gonna be something sweet like that.
not going for
It's
it.
gonna be something sweet like that.
Not going for it, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody's accounts is gonna be hit with 100,000, and nope.
Of the U.S. dollar, the strongest currency in the world.
Not everybody has to do it, but the people that accept. Stupid.
Yeah, of course.
You know how many people they're gonna get doing that shit?
Bruh, that's 100 bands. People
They
don't know the
already.
value of
I'm about to tell you.
$100,000.
I'm about to tell you how they know how many people they're gonna get. You ready?
Uh,
COVID.
I
COVID. They just
already
got to
know.
look at the COVID numbers.
Yeah,
A
I
lot of
already
people
know.
went got shots because they couldn't go to work and couldn't make money.
Yep.
See what I'm saying? So they use that as like a measurement. You feel me? They might not get as many numbers as they got, but if they could get a fraction of the numbers, you know what I'm saying? A majority.
We
They
could
lit.
convert the rest over time through
Exactly.
media and movies and TV shows.
You know it, bro. You know what it
Yeah,
is,
through
man.
rap songs. Yeah.
I got my wrist done.
Come on. Now
Scan
you
in the
already
buildings.
know. You already know.
They know it's Wheezy. I
The
scanned in the
new
buildings.
little baby song.
Lil Peeps
My wrist
or
done.
something.
My wrist done.
Somebody. No, I think Lil Peep got it. He did. But
Oh
sorry,
yeah,
somebody
all
though.
right.
You remember one
You
of them
already
do
know.
rap?
You already know how they propaganda everything. However, whatever medium they need to do it through. And they'll have people like, man, I'm about to go get that 100,000. I'll
You
go do
feel
a
me?
lot with
I came up on my 100,000 the government gave me.
that.
Now she having my baby.
No, for real. Oh, that's crazy.
Nah, for real, bro.
Oh man,
It's crazy out here, bro. Crazy world we live.
it really is.
But
But I said, it could either be out
yeah,
here
bro.
really
But I'm
trying to
moving to
survive
Thailand
through it, or
at
moving
that
a
point.
certain type of way where you can make money out these motherfuckers.
I'ma just be in the markets and move to Thailand or something. The homie said they got like a 4-bedroom out there. Costs like 500 a month.
I already know I want to go.
4-bedroom
I
penthouse.
want to go to the Philippines.
4-bedroom penthouse, 500 a month, dog.
Yeah.
Crazy work.
Hey, on the cool, niggas be sleeping on Africa. Africa got that same type of monetary, you grasp. Like you make US $2,000, $2,500 a month, like on some internet type shit. You can make that but live out there and secure. Yeah, boy.
Nigga lit, right?
2,000 a month to go crazy, like a whole damn near like a nice little villa house with a yard and brand new type shit. A cook, masseuse, like all that.
Facts.
Just trade the damn markets.
Nah, for sure. Then you can have about 3-4 wives. What you talking about?
Nah, real
They ain't tripping. You heard me?
Going to Morocco.
They ain't even tripping. You heard me? They just want
teach them
your
how to
money.
trade.
Yeah. Nigga said they just want your money.
I'm gonna teach them how to trade.
That part. Me and my wives. I paid 16 cows for her.
Oh man.
Fuck, basically. But they be paying for their wives out there. That shit crazy. Nigga said, what I gotta do to get with her? Give me 16 cows.
It's a whole different customer.
Give you 16 cows.
Yeah.
Nah, like I can't just talk to her. No.
That boy said Puerto Rico. I feel that. I like Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico.
Reporting love in Puerto Rico. Love.
In Tokyo though. Thailand, Tokyo.
Yeah, nigga low key do want to get skedaddle, bro. At this point, they doing too much out here. Oh, I wonder. I'm just wondering what. I mean, I do be hearing about a lot of people that leave. They be coming right back. Yeah, shit. Some people that I know left. At least a couple people I know that left. Motherfuckers come back. They come back to this. They probably miss their people and shit though. I don't know. Ain't no telling.
That's what we got planes for.
You feel me? Nah, bro. I think my little brother was talking about moving to Colombia.
Oh yeah.
He went out there for a little while. He said he loved it.
Yeah, Colombia fire.
He said he loved it out there, bro.
Colombia fire. And it's affordable. Like that's another place where your dollar gonna go super far. Like $10 you eat the whole day. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That type shit.
Crazy.
$20.
Yeah, bro.
Good shit too. Like McDonald's and donut place where I just went to.
Nah, I'm definitely thinking about it, bro. Because I was really thinking about moving to like Miami or something. Like
I'm gonna do it. I just don't know. Like I don't have no date. Like I'm not really pressed for a date, but I do know I want to own and possibly for a short period of my time live abroad. Like I want to own some property abroad. Like I said, for sure.
Right.
I was in the Filipino, community. I used to date a chick that was half Filipino, and she I got introduced to their culture and shit, and that's why I want to buy a property out there in the Philippines.
In the Philippines, yeah.
In Cebu City, to be exact.
Yeah. What's out there like that?
It's
what made you really want
the most beautiful beaches you ever seen in your life that they don't show on TV.
And shit?
Huh?
You got waterfalls and shit?
Possibly. I don't know about that, but possibly in certain areas it's possible. But I know they got the beaches, but it's kind of, well, I think Manila is really where it's at, surrounding areas of Manila. There's been a lot of people buying up a lot of beachfront property and turning them hoes into like resorts and shit. So a lot of that area getting priced up, but it still ain't nowhere near the prices out here in America. Like people go out there and get, like you said, like a 4-bedroom, a real nice villa with some land off the beach type shit for like nigga under $200K. Like you do that out here in America, nigga, that's $2 million minimum. Like something off the beach, 4-bedroom, like yeah, nigga, 2 M's, maybe more, depending on where you buying at. But yeah, I think it definitely won't be overseas somewhere. Africa is starting to look like the move too. But I want to travel out there. I want to go.
Yeah.
I just been hearing a lot of good things about it.
Yeah, I definitely got to travel to all these places before I go make a decision where I'm going. But, definitely want to go some damn where. It's down from around here, bro. It's getting crazy. It's getting crazy, bro. America's getting crazy. I can't leave yet though, because I can't allow them to change the money policy.
He said,
I gotta go get my Olivia Pope on.
Until you change that, then you can dip.
Huh?
I said until you change that, then you can dip.
Yeah, I can't allow this. You know, not to my people. I can't let them go down like that. Yeah, man. I gotta do my part. For my people. Then I'm gonna leave. Gotta get my
You
what's her
can make
girl name?
your own
Jasmine
cryptocurrency.
Crockett.
Make your own cryptocurrency for Black people.
See, no, that's the wrong shit to do.
That way, if the dollar fell, they got their own currency that they gonna go off of. Like we're gonna build our own economy up. They can't burn this. They can't roll this shit.
No, that's something for you to do then. Shit. I'm gonna be head first with you.
No, I did think
that's
about
your
that.
part.
It's like I don't think nobody did that shit. Like if not, they're not promoting it well. But that's the key right now is marketing dollars. How much marketing dollars do you have to really get your point across? When everybody's attention is at the latest 20-second TikTok video. That's where everybody's attention is. So it's like, how do you get their attention?
What I was about to start doing was actually promoting my Instagram page and shit actually, and just start making my channel pop through different content, like talking about trading and writing scripts, and you know what I'm saying, the different things that I do, just talking about it. You know what I'm saying? Might be able to gain some traction, and from there, you know. No money monetization, money, whatever the fuck.
That nigga started digital protests.
Yeah, fuck that. I'm gonna get popular from what you know, the regular shit, and then when I'm ready on their ass, as soon as they start that dumb shit, I'll be like,
you ain't got no YouTube page?
Yeah, I do. I just do vlogging on there. Basically, right now, I just vlog, but even that could turn into, you know what I'm saying? Let that bitch gain traction. That could turn into something too. Like, so I can speak my mind, you know what I'm saying? A platform, I can speak my mind. Of course, they could shut that shit down, but you know,
shut everything down. Man.
Still, though, while it's available, they got to try to do something. Shoot, this is ridiculous. You seen Jasmine gone for senator?
Who?
Texas, Jasmine Crockett, I think her name.
Oh no, I didn't see that.
You know who that is?
That's that black chick.
They be talking, going there for everybody, bro. She said, "Look, she said, I'm for the people. You heard me? The only senator one of the only senators for the people. You heard me?" She be talking for the people, man. And she get Senate, bro. I'm be looking for her to get the president or something, bro. I vote for her. I ain't gonna lie. You heard me? Real black woman.
She from Texas?
I think so. Might be. That's where she at. That's where she stationed.
Research on, but I don't really be be too heavy into politics besides Trump.
Yeah,
You
me
said
neither.
Ed
But
McCracken?
yeah, but I
Yeah,
watch.
McCracken,
I've been watching what you call them hard,
too.
so I be into this shit a little bit. It's just something you got to get into on the slide. What that is? I be watching Scandal. You heard me? With Olivia Pope on there. She be talking that they be talking to the president. They got the attorney general and all of that on there. You know, just learning about what their roles is, what they do, and who they are. You know, the same thing we did with like power. You know, just do research, kind of.
University of Houston at law. Got a bachelor's. Legal career, public defender in Bowie County, and a civil rights attorney who represented Black Lives Matter activists. And that shit was cap. White people started this.
Nah, shit, the truth though.
Texas State House. She served Texas State House of Representative 2021, 2023. Key figure. Worked to block restrictive voting legislation. That's what's up. That's what's up.
Shit, I wish she was out here. I would have voted for her. But she could probably do more in Texas.
Like, all right.
Got
Should be
more
too busy
black
trying
people out
to
there. Fight against
figure
the
out
black
all the
people.
corruption in New Orleans. Fuck around Louisiana.
Yeah.
Fight
Fight all the racist people.
Yeah. When you get to have no real work done, you gotta worry about bullshit.
Yeah, for real.
Come on, dollar, drop. Drop it like it's hot. That bitch said I'm waiting
I'm
for
jumped
the
up.
rate Wow. Okay. God, that bitch. Might come out of me up to just like moving slow. That's so weak, no volume. Yeah, everybody is really on the
Bro, I'm not in. Trust me, if I'm not looking at the markets, bro, the markets look bad right now. Market's bad.
I mean, right now, yeah, it's not a lot of action going on because everybody is chilling, waiting on 1 o'clock. So it really ain't.
I was waiting on 1 o'clock, and I wouldn't even think about the news. I'm telling you, even as a structured market trader, but not even having to look at the news, like just based on structure, come back at 1 o'clock. They're gonna have some news for you.
They barely move. They had a gap up, but they done pretty much gave all that shit up. It was up 2%. ET still going up, gapping up.
Yeah, you wasn't in ET already. Yeah, I've been called ET too. I just didn't believe, and it was moving too slow.
Same here. I just took the risk because it was cheap. That's the only reason I got in that bitch, bro. If that shit was
How much, like $60, $70?
I think it was 80 something, maybe like 90 max, but it wasn't no 100 nothing. Like if it was like 2 something, I wouldn't have gotten it. I would have rather put that money in the Walmart or something. But
right.
I fucking pissed off too. Yeah, it ain't shit moving. Like literally. USAR down 6% today.
Yeah, my partner had gotten that damn play, bro. I know he pissed off. He got in that bitch, got a option for $600, bro. At $30. At $30.
God,
so I know
damn, he must have got that bitch far out. For $30 call for 600.
Yeah, bro. I was trying to get that same call, but I seen it for like 2 something. at the time. But when the market opened, that bitch, the spread went from two something. Well, not the spread, but the price went from two something on that same play to like $600, and it was like, wait, what? Wait, it just said 241, and he wound up was like, fuck it, I'm gonna buy it. So he bought that bitch at 6 something, hella overpriced. Then that bitch started dropping on him.
Man. Shit, what you call them worse? Fucking Rich Tech Robotics. It was down 10.
Oh yeah, that bitch did 40-something% yesterday.
And them bitches down 10.
I mean, they did 40% yesterday.
Yeah.
It went crazy.
Gave half of that back. Looked like on the chart.
Like, as them bitches do big percentages, that's why I ain't even thinking about getting there. I guess you did it already. And even if they do more, I don't want it. Too high. So I'm not buying at highs no more, especially not on options.
Yeah, that shit dead, bro.
It gotta be given. It gotta be given. I'm about to break out. Like Walmart was. Ain't 109.
I think the way is I think the boy Scully had mentioned some shit like this, but like you or him buying red candles. Like if you want to buy something, buy the red candle and sell the green candle. Like fuck waiting. Because the only thing that I don't like about options is you gotta wait till 8:30, and as soon as the market opens, the price just get revealed, and you don't know where the fuck you gonna be at in that whole equation. It might break down lower than your entry. It might push you up in profit crazy, but you just like, I don't like that surprise shit. I don't like that shit. I guess I done got too spoiled with Forex. You know, it kind of goes throughout the whole week and just continues. So you kind of monitor the heartbeat, but there ain't no heartbeat in the damn option. That bitch skip a whole damn night and then start back up in the morning on some, surprise, bitch. I'm up here now.
Right.
Like, what the fuck? Like, how you got there? I ain't see no ladder or nothing, nigga. You all the way up there.
Niggas, I ain't see no ladder or nothing. What you out there?
Like, for real. So, like, yeah, that shit there is like scalping. That's why I was kind of thinking about the ET play. Like, even though I know I got it far out, but it's like, nigga up like 75%. Like, I ain't got a lot in it, but like that's good money. Let me take that shit and figure out something else, or leave it in there to, like how you said, maybe it might go up to that little last high. But in the meantime, figure out what I'm gonna do with them profits and find something that is at another low.
Right.
Buy that bitch up. Like, be patient.
Definitely.
Scalp that shit. It go up 20-30%. Like, take that shit. Fuck it.
Yeah, I definitely said, I didn't say it like that, but I definitely said buy it. As soon as you see it hit that low, just buy it.
Yeah, just buy it.
If it's a previous low that it took off at,
of course you gotta
like a rocket.
All the other shit. Yeah.
What'd you say?
I say, of course you gotta like have a look at like the Greeks and the IV and all that shit. It does help to take a look at that, but overall, like, structure is what's gonna really move the market. Like, if it's sweeping, if it's bouncing from recent support, like, yeah, buy that shit. Like, really damn everything else. All that other shit gonna work out in your favor.
Right. Which way is the market moving?
Real tough, yeah. If it ain't moving in that direction, no matter what the damn Greeks say, nigga, your ass losing money.
Right. That part.
If you bought and it's not going up, you are losing money.
But for stocks that move slowly up, I think to make money on it, you're supposed to actually do a sell put. I think a sell put or a sell buy. Like a sell call or some shit like that.
Yeah.
Like, because if it moves slow, some type of way when you buy calls, you really want it to move fast,
Oh,
and
mine.
that's how you gain off of gamma and shit like that. But if that bitch consolidate a lot and slowly, gradually goes up, you'll probably get more money doing a sell put or something like that. You had to do some research on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nah, I know they got that for a reason. Because usually, I mean, otherwise it just would have been buy and sell. Like, I'm pretty sure it's beneficial for them too, but there had to be a reason why they got all these damn different options like that. Even when they get into all that technical shit from straddles and strangles and all these fucking weird ass terms they got for these options, like it's a use case for them, but I know primarily we just buy long and sell short, put short, or however they want to terminology shit.
Yeah, buy puts.
Buy puts, yeah.
Buy calls and buy puts.
Right. They don't sell nothing.
Yeah, that's what I was saying with the sales. As far as what from chat was saying, that's what you want. That's what sales are for. Like if you see it like gradually going up slowly. That's one of them at least. I don't know. I forgot what the other one was. I had to research it again.
Let's see what I'm looking like right now. Yeah, they got long call, cover call, long put, and a cash secured put. That's single leg. And then they got vertical spreads. Somewhat simultaneously buy and sell similar options using different strike prices. Vertical spreads are designed to profit from gains or losses in the price of the underlying fundamental option strategies, buy or sell calls and puts. Long call, long put, cash secured put, cover call, put depth spread, call credit spread. All this shit crazy. Nigga. Just get me in the market, fam. Two-legged strategies that are designed to profit from volatility. Long straddle, long strangle. Then they got long call and short put calendar spreads. Yeah, this shit here. This shit crazy, man. Let's see what the calls looking like. Everything's negative 100% today. So just saying, if you put your money in Walmart, you would have lost it all. That's what they're saying. Like, the fuck?
Wait, what happened? You got a contract that did negative 100%.
And I don't even know why they're showing this, but they're showing me expires for the 23rd, nigga. Today, the 28th. Why are they even showing that? That's weird. But yeah. No, the next one is January 30th. It's, they're on
This
average
bitch
like
Gold about to do some
25,
more numbers.
35%. But that's 2 days. That shit better close. February 6th. We got left. We got about an hour left. Hour left for this bitch. Just do what the fuck you say you're gonna do. two they call options cheap as hell, boy. $21 for a 119 option on Walmart.
119.
Expiring on Friday. Like this Friday.
Literally $21.
Literally $21.
21 cents. Scoop.
21 cents times 100.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Shit, the
Yeah, that's a
117
gamble.
call is $79. But like I said, it expires Friday, so
Yeah. I bet
that's
it could do 1,000% type shit. If it push up.
yeah, that bitch gonna have to like off this news interest rate. That bitch gonna have to just go crazy. Which I don't know if Walmart to do something like that. Because other than that, it ain't. See, I'll be thinking about shit like this too. What else would make Walmart stock go down? Is there any bad headline news they going through right now? There's nothing.
Not that I know of.
Everything is good. Like from the recent AI talks and the growth of the drones and everything else they got going on. Like I think this is just an engineer sale, and we're gonna see at 1 o'clock if this bitch pop up.
It's already
Because it
created
already
structure
filled
for
a
it.
gap per se. I mean,
Right.
it ain't to the T, but it came up to the top of that 4-hour wick. So it filled the gap. So it did what it's supposed to do. So now it should go up. And if it's waiting for news to do that, then now that was the move. Buy call. You just had to come right back down.
Yeah, trading done kind of blew me for the day, dog. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, I don't even feel like trading no more.
Damn, not
I
no
am
more.
I am exhausted today.
Oh, I'm about to say.
Like all I did was close out some trades, but that's all I needed to do. I am done. I'm exhausted, bro. I've been making all the wrong moves, even though it's like I knew it was gonna happen with every move that I had, and still made all the wrong moves. It wasn't like I didn't know that none of this was about to happen, like everything that happened. You know what I'm saying?
But we did know though.
No,
Think about it.
nigga definitely knew Walmart was gonna sell when I was up there at 118, and I seen it, and I said, I would take out, break even, close out both of these calls up here. And then when they come down, I could just get more at the bottom. I remember telling y'all that on the live.
Yeah.
Didn't do that. Waited till it made the drop, and then got out like type shit. For gold, I could have just took the 300. You know what I'm saying? When I did the 120 so fast, that bitch come down. I could have just got back in because I knew it was gonna come back to my entry. I just didn't think it was gonna stop me out. That bitch
That's
stopped me out.
crazy, dog. Like I'm just thinking about it. Like depending on how much gold it takes to have like an ounce worth, like just simply holding that shit, whether it's like a gold ring, chain, watch. Like nigga made $120 just holding that shit, like off the asset alone.
No, facts. I
That's
got
crazy.
I got a 14 karat ring.
That's what I'm saying. I got some
Look,
earrings. That's about it.
right. I don't have nothing but like a ring or nothing, but
Right.
it's something.
That's something. You damn sure
It's
nigga go
something.
cash out a couple $100. You go bring that bitch to this
When I
we
bought that
buy
ring,
gold place. That's
When
a
I bought
fact.
that ring, it was worth $1,000. It was my class ring though. So
Right.
when I got it, that bitch was worth 1,000. So I know.
Oh yeah, that bitch up there.
I mean, it got diamonds in it though. That's the only thing. You know, I heard diamonds make that bitch go down after time or some shit.
Yeah, but that gold gonna keep that value though, regardless. Even if you got 30 diamonds in that bitch, they'll take all them diamonds out.
It's facts.
If we want
That's
that
real
gold.
diamonds, real, 14 karat gold type shit.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm wondering how much if that bitch went up in price of it. You know what I'm saying? At least hell value.
Right.
Or like, how much of these kids fucking rings now that the price of gold is quadrupled this year?
Yeah,
You know what I'm
they're
saying?
getting that fire ass gold plated. That's what they're getting.
You
And
feel
that's
me?
good. That's more expensive too now, cause you buying a silver ring and you gonna gold plate it like both of them bitches up. So the ring ain't
It's
cheaper.
crazy. Right.
You
The
gotta get
ring
a
is
copper.
definitely not cheaper,
You
bro.
gotta
Like
get a.
they paying like $2,000 for the same ring, like type
That's what
shit
I'm
nowadays.
saying. But
Like,
cheaper
damn.
materials though.
Crazy work, bro.
They got to get stainless steel rings.
So,
Nah,
nah, for real. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy.
they gotta go straight stainless steel.
That's crazy.
Dang. All right. Let's see Bitcoin trying to peek his head out of that bitch. Bitcoin trying. XRP. Ethereum. Everything else is down. Nvidia is the only thing up. ET hanging on for dear life. VLO. TSM. So it's just TSM and Nvidia. That's the reason why the S&P up. Them
TSM
two,
busting. I was
one
watching it,
percent.
but that
That's
bitch
busting
didn't
for
look.
today. 1%. If
I
you
was
made
about to say
1%
it didn't
today,
look
you
like.
busting for today.
I'm
But
choked out.
the market's so red right now. So yeah,
Yeah,
whoever got 1%, yeah, you are killing the game today.
yeah,
Killing it.
yeah. I'm staying out the way right now, bro. Nothing looks good. Nothing looks like lunch. Everything is just too high. I want
Yeah.
shit to drop, to be honest. It's too high, bro. Walmart is probably not too high, but it already played me, so fuck Walmart.
Yeah. But if it wants to, it got more room to drop. It really could. It really could break 115 if it wants to. It could, and like settle at like mid 114s. It could come all the way down there if it wants to, but because that's on a 4 hour, so it could do that.
Yeah, it would have to come way down for me to
We'll
have
have
to
to
get
see.
another contract in that. They blew it, son. That was crazy work, bro. Like I watched that mug, and you go look at the structure, like on a 15-minute chart when it opened up. It already opened up. It meant it was gonna. It couldn't. It wicked up to 117, and it couldn't break it. It just went under it. Like it wicked up to right under it. Then, and I was looking at the structure from yesterday. It couldn't, which basically meant it couldn't close inside that supply level. So I was like, fuck. All right, I held it, waited. It went to the low and went below a demand level that it created and overnight and closed below it. So I'm like, all right, it closed below
And
the
the
low,
very next candle push,
bro.
dumbass bullish.
And I waited and everything though. That's the whole key. I sat there and I'm waiting for like 5 minutes and stuff, but it never moved. So I was like, it's not moving. That's not a good sign neither though. That it's not trying to just push right back up type shit. So I'm like, fuck it, I'm gonna just get out these plays. And as I'm trying to get out my plays, this bitch dropping more and more. type shit. So, making me get even worse positions type shit. So I'm like, fuck it, bro. Yeah, definitely got to get out. All right, and then on the last second, I held the last one. That mug just was sitting there, losing more value too. And I said, yeah, bro, fuck it. Got out 3 contracts. As soon as I got out, this bitch pushed past 117.
Oh yeah,
Son,
I
I'm
see
like,
what you're
bro,
talking about.
that
Lord,
don't even make sense. You just showed that you didn't have it had resistance right there. Like you showed hella resistance because you wicked down hard and on the 30-minute, matter of fact. And then you wick down hella hard, close at demand levels, closed at it. So I'm like, that's one the signal for me to skedaddle. Bro, this bitch immediately shot back up the next 30-minute bar. I'm like, man, ain't no way, dog. That don't even make sense. How you wicked against a level and then the very next candle say, yeah, fuck it, actually.
that's
That's
that.
that's
That
where I
was,
want to
that
be
was
at.
that liquidity switch, dog. Like it swept both ends. That bitch did London, so that little 15-minute structure, that
You
high and
see
that
that shit,
low.
right?
Yeah, I'm looking at it
Like
right now.
it's
It
literal
swept it and then it
manipulation, bro.
ran and swept damn near. I mean, it didn't reach all the way up to New York, but it damn near swept yesterday's New York highs. But just ran up
That
to them
bitch,
old prices and now it's selling off again. So
and now
it's
it's
just like
selling off again,
crazy.
right? That's what I'm saying. That bitch doing janky ass shit. Like what? What the fuck is this? What is this? This is crazy. Literal manipulation, bro. But that's why, like right now, I'm just waiting on to find out what are your actual lows. It has to build the structure. You got to rebuild structure now. At this point, all of this shit that it's doing for me is just building structure. Letting me know which way it's gonna go next.
Right.
Just gotta be patient, but because really and truly, if I was really planning how I wanted to, I would have took profits at 118 area and started selling from up there because I've been called to sales. Like since last week, I said this shit about to sell off. I just could look at the structure. If you look at that structure, it was making a bunch of. If you pull it up, you can see all of those lower highs it kept making. It just kept making lower highs with wicks on it. Kept doing it. Kept doing it. I'm like, yeah, bro, this bitch can't go no higher. It's about to sell off. You know what I mean? Sure enough, that bitch go to 116. You know what I mean? I'm like,
Stop at
fuck.
115.5. Ain't gonna lie, nigga may
So
consider it if I get out of ET.
so now basically it's not like I'm a bad trader. I think I'm a great trader actually. It's just proving that I'm a great trader. It's just that now I just have to trade what I see. You feel me? Strictly.
Right.
Like, you feel me?
And then
Trade what
like
I
start
see.
to like realize what hurt worse, like taking profit and missing out on more profits, or being in the whole move, wait for that bitch to go to the top. You done seen the top and they come right back down to your entry, or even worse, you be sitting in profit, they go all the way to a high, come back down your entry, and you possibly buy another one and then they go lower. So now you like negative 12. Like what hurt
That's
worse?
what
Because
happened to me.
one
That's
thing you
what
can't
happened.
do, like and then you gotta think about
That
like
is what
what
happened though.
can happen and what can't happen in trade. One thing we know we can't do, we cannot call the tops and we cannot call the bottom. Like not only can't you
Shit.
do it, is why
Shit.
would you want to waste your
That's
time
the
doing it?
that's the problem. I did that multiple times, bro, and didn't get out when it made it to the high that I called, like Walmart 120. I've been called Walmart 120. I don't know if you remember that, but I called Walmart 120 when that bitch was at 110. Last like 2 weeks ago when it was at 114 and shit. When I
Right,
bought at
right, right.
112, I bought that bitch at 112.50. I said Walmart to 120. You heard me? I should have took profit when it made it to 120. That's when you get out.
All right, so okay, so what made you not want to get out at that time? What made you think that it was gonna go higher?
It was like it's the I'm gonna hold this contract out type shit.
Oh,
I'm
the
gonna
expiring.
see, yeah, I'm gonna see what it do to when it get closer. I'm gonna see if it can hold this level. You know what I'm saying? But me doing options now and just trading longer now, I see now. You know, you got to know what number you getting out at. You got to call a number, because not only did I call 120, a bunch of people call 120. You have to figure out the psychological number that everybody thinking about. You know, see what I'm saying? When you get that number, like even my dog, my partner, that boy called PL. He called that bitch to 30. That bitch, the same thing with Walmart did. That bitch went to 121. You heard me? It dropped. What PL did? That bitch went to 31. Dropped. Now he ain't called it to the exact number.
Right,
You heard me? But that
Same thing
bitch,
with
he called
Bitcoin.
it to 30.
Yeah.
That bitch went to 30,
Well,
31,
shit.
and dropped all the way to 20 fucking 5 right after it hit. You see what I'm saying? Now, when that bitch went to 25, I had levels. So I knew exactly where it was about to drop to. And I called that fucking number. I said, the first time it dropped there, I said, if it can't close on that demand level on a 15-minute chart at 25, that bitch not gonna break 25. It's not gonna break 25. It's gonna go up. It's gonna keep bouncing up off it. Sure enough, if you go look at PL now, that bitch never was able to close. It closed at 25 one time. But as soon as it did that, I bet even then, it bounced up. It went to 25 fucking about 4-5 times on that 4-hour chart.
Sure did. I'm looking at it right now.
And then it bounced up. The same thing AU did. Like I'm calling the levels. Like before it did those four fucking times. The first time it came down from 31 and went to 25. I called it. I said if it break through that level, it's gonna drop hella lower, like the 22 or something like that. But you know what I'm saying? I'm calling the level. Like we could definitely call these levels, bro. We know,
It's
you
just
know what
pulling
I'm
the
saying?
trigger. It's just pulling the trigger when it
You
gets there.
gotta be willing to get the fuck out and get in at the levels you call. You heard me? And get out when you say you're gonna get out. You heard me? Unless that bitch just running and you know it's gonna continue to run like AU or something.
Ain't gonna continue. I'm waiting to see what that bitch gonna do here soon.
No, I'm saying like, you know, when nigga called it from that low.
Right.
And that bitch, if a nigga would have kept hold, nigga could have held that till now. And they say, all right, it's back at the highs, I can get out now. Type shit. Is that a good level I can get out? Because that bitch went crazy.
360 pips. That whole ran.
From what?
From 66.70. Them lows on AU.
How many dollars that would have been?
Shit. However many per pip. It's like multiply. If you got, if you $1 a pip, $360, that would have been from what? That I would say that Sunday going into Monday, January 18th.
And that's on Oanda.
To now, that's like 10 days. So roughly 2 weeks.
Crazy. And
that's easy. That's easy.
That's
to
cheap.
get $1 a pip. Yeah, that's cheap. Like all you need is like, I want to say like 100, maybe 120 for AU to get 100 to get $1 a pip. So if you got like some substantial money, like a rack, you probably could pull like damn near close to like $3, $4, $5 out that bitch, and now you talking like 1,500 for the 2 weeks. You know what I mean? That's why I like AU. You talking like UJ. I'm up crazy as far as pips, but I ain't up a lot of money because it take a lot of money to go heavy on UJ. Like I would need like damn near like 5K, maybe 5K to 7K to have like $5 a pip. But that whole on that trade, I'm up 500 pips. So you talking about $5, 500 pips, nigga? That's like what? I don't know. That's a lot. Like 20 man.
Yeah.
some dumbass shit. Like, yeah, but it costs a lot to trade UG though. That's for
Right.
sure.
Right.
I'm waiting on to go
But
crazy
still,
on that.
none dope.
Use the move.
Good calls. Good calls.
360 of them bags.
Boy,
That's
I
a
gotta
lot.
comb my mustache. Goddamn.
You gotta comb your mustache.
That bitch nappy.
Nah, for real.
Stupid ass. But
Is it really
nah,
in the winter?
man.
I said it's really the winter time, man. You need about $200 for $1 pip on AU, Scully. That's what you're saying. I'm guessing that's what you was talking about, AU.
Oh, for real, 200.
Yeah.
God
Yes,
bless
me.
you.
Yeah, he was saying 2K will get you $10 a pip. So $10 a pip at 300 pips, 360. What's that? 3 bands. Yep, 3,600 to be exact.
They would have made 3,600 off of that put 2
3,600
band.
off of 2 bands
Crazy work.
in 2 weeks. But again, for AU, that don't happen often.
Right.
So this is like, not only is this a home run, nigga, this a grand slam. If you know baseball terms, nigga, everybody was on base. You hit that just off the fuck. But, yeah, that's crazy. That bitch approaching the highs of 2023.
Hmm.
Yeah, bro, this is going somewhere.
I gotta try my home. Gold at 5,300. Chilling. Like a big dog. You hear me?
Damn, dog, this shit crazy.
That bitch done already did 120 pips today, dog. Chilling. I told you that bitch do 120 when it start chilling. That's what I expected it to do Monday. You feel me? Do your 120 and chill up there. Nah, that bitch gotta play around on Monday because it know everybody was looking to gain them pips.
Sure,
Shit
yeah, that
lame.
bitch was janky on my. That's what we be talking about, boy.
That shit is so lame,
Rain
son.
King. It did not break out until Tuesday at 3 o'clock of all times.
That part.
Nobody paid attention.
That's crazy. And even then I was in the markets to catch it. But then when I was pressing the button, that bitch flew up on me. So I said, let me wait for a slight pullback because it did like 10 points. Buku fast. I'm like, all right, it's gonna pull back. Bitch never pulled back, bro. Took a huff.
Mm-hmm. This is going for all-time highs again. Just broke it. Damn. That
Who
bitch
that?
just broke.
Well, gold.
Yep. New York just broke London's high in like a second. That bitch just jumped up there right to the 310. And now it's
Mm-hmm.
selling off. Damn.
That bitch chilling. 310. Cool. 309. Yeah, bro, that shit crazy, dog. I really have no words for it, bro. Like, I feel so played, dog. All my plays, for real. Mostly gold, but that shit is crazy. That shit did me bad, boy. They ain't had to do your boy like that.
Damn, bro. That shit crazy. News ain't dropped yet. Like, what the hell is gold doing? Like, who is buying this much gold? Like, yeah, look at the year. The year did not. This is 2024 and 2025, orange and green. They got a modest run. They didn't start to have like shit. 2025 didn't have this major run until August. Nigga, gold this year about to damn near do what it did in 6 months in 1 month. Like, dead ass. Whew. Like, I'm starting to think we like, yeah, this is the unprecedented times right here. Like, okay, gold going to like 10K. So what was the percentage it did last year? Let's see. That shit, man, it's crazy. Look at that. 75%. We started at 20. Started at roughly, what was this, 20, 25, and ran it up to a high of 45. So it's 75%. Yeah, you're right, it's 25, 45. Okay. So that's right. So what's 75% from today? And I know it ain't gonna grow the same amount it did. I do realize that, but still, I just want to see. 43 and 75% is 75. Gold is running. That bitch hit 53 and said, fuck y'all, man. The way this whole running, bro, we probably gonna hit these numbers. And when we do, that might kick off the next Bitcoin run. Now that Bitcoin is like kind of caught up with gold. And Bitcoin gonna run. Then gold gonna reprice to somewhere near what it did last year, 75%. So we're gonna leave that up for the summertime. See what gold does. Bitcoin. I don't think he did too well last year. Let's see. Started off right here on the 30th. Pushed a little higher, so it broke out. So we kind of finished the year breaking back above 100K, sold back off to 75, and traded up to the high we called 123. Break above, sold back down into 80, building that bullish structure. Lower high, lower high, higher high, higher high. So if we pull 30th, just say right here. Overall, we grew 34% last year for crypto. If we go to the new year, which will be here, .34% is not even 123. Yeah, I don't know. Crypto may have another year of waiting until this AI catches up. Maybe they need AI and supercomputing and all that shit to kind of get theirs and catch up before we get this crazy run in crypto again. Gold and silver has a lot more use cases than crypto right now. Like, niggas really need silver and gold, even though for speculative reasons, but they still need it. Hold on one second. Be right back. Pull this AU up. I forgot I gotta do my damn parameters. Right back.
Are you still on video? They see me? No? Charles, no. Because you don't. Oh.
Oh, I'm back. Boy, I've been talking like a motherfucker. I thought I was unmuted. My bad. Tripping. But yeah, we got 20 minutes left for the news to drop. Fed rate news. And I am down on my additional UJ buys. Sales. I think I sold down here. I know I'm down 32 pips, which is not good. It's like half of the stop loss type shit. Really, 60%, 65. Get in at 153.58. Let's put a position on that. 153.58. Oh, that's it right there. Put them down. 153.58, 153.92. Damn. One to two. Mm-hmm. And the hell is you going to? What's up, brother?
What's up? You still in them sales?
I added to sales on UJ, but that bitch, I got I'm about to probably get stopped out again. I got stopped out earlier. I had added something earlier today, and then it went against me, and now I got in again, and it's against me again. But
Well, that should be pissing me off.
yeah, I'm thinking it's just waiting for that rate news to come on, man. So I'm gonna wait to see if it's gonna trade in my favor.
Right. Right.
If not, I'm just gonna take that shit and take that L and probably get out of everything and just wait for another longer time frame setup, like on the 4 hour.
Right.
Fuck it. Be a little patient with this shit.
Da, 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 da.
But I mean, this position, even though I sold right here, if I could have my stops all the way up here, which is like crazy work, but if I'm targeting down here to this trend line, if you see like this on the 4 hour, you can see this trend line. If I target down there, it's still a 2-to-1. Not a bad trade, so
Yeah,
that.
definitely hold it out.
Yeah,
You don't want to get stopped out or want to get enticed to get back in again.
Facts. Because I know the overall move is sell, so this move eventually will work out. But it's just like how long am I willing to stay in drawdown? That's the only question.
As long as it takes.
And that shit don't feel good getting punched in the face. That's a
Yeah. Yeah. Shit, next time, you just make a better decision. That's all. Shit. That bitch Lil Baby making new highs, bro. 121.
New highs?
New highs, 121. First they made new highs.
What's the percentages up today?
9%, 9.5.
Wow.
I called it from yesterday, bro. The contract just cost $800 something.
Shit.
But I called it from 106. I knew it from 106. I said, it was gonna pop. You know what I mean? I would have bought that 106 yesterday. That bitch all the way to 121, bro. Easy calls,
Yeah,
bro.
gold done, boy. Gold turn around like a motherfucker.
Yeah, that bitch dropped. That bitch need to keep going, stupid ass.
They must know something.
Shit, I told you what they gonna do.
That's crazy. Them niggas must know that they ain't cutting rates.
Yeah, they gonna push that shit up.
They gonna keep it the same.
Yeah, they definitely ain't gonna add to it.
Nah, they ain't about to add to it. That boy gonna get
Probably keep them the same for sure.
but,
I say y'all playing with me? We adding 6% to them.
Boy, yeah, 6%. He for sure gonna get assassinated, and I do not want
The
that to
nigga say
happen.
he gonna get assassinated.
Nah, for real. I was about to hold my tongue yesterday, but if they go up 6%, oh yeah, he out of there, dog. Somebody gonna do it to him. Sorry. He gonna ride with like a stunt double or something.
Are you gonna be mad?
Yeah, that's gonna be fucked up. I mean, on my trade, hell yeah, I'll be mad because that's gonna flip everything. I don't care what position you in, nigga. It's gonna flip.
I mean,
6%.
Well, the dollar gonna shoot up.
Fucking right, the dollar gonna shoot up, nigga. Nigga gonna be from up 500 pips to down 2,000 pips. Like that's exactly what's gonna happen. Quick in 5 minutes, nigga. Maybe faster. Maybe faster. I know one thing I wouldn't mind like having is having like maybe a chain of them bitches too, like a facility for like traders to come and trade, kind of like a gaming cafe or a cafe, but you could smoke and drink, like you could drink beer and all kind of shit early in the morning, get you a shot of whiskey, like, cause we need that shit. The only thing you can't and you can roll up, you can smoke your cigar, hit your little cigarette, whatever you need, your little vice to get you ready for this crazy ass day. Like I think niggas fuck with that.
No, I was definitely talking about starting a hedge fund or something yesterday. Like I was thinking working for the New York Stock Exchange, but that shit looked like too many stipulations. But
yeah, you gotta have a lot of series. You gotta be seriesed up to be up in that bit, which it ain't hard to get though. But that's something you gotta like really want to do that.
Nah, I mean, I would do it though. That's something
I would too. Yeah, if I had the passion to work there, I would do it. But
this really something they gonna be, it's something they gonna be doing for the rest of their life. Why not? Why not get paid for it? But they It's more like you ever watch that show Industry?
Not to where I kind of like, but I did watch some shows of it. I do understand the gist of it, type shit.
Yeah, they do working in the stock exchange and what that shit's like. You
Right,
know,
right, right.
they mostly though they have clients. Like if you're a trader, you have
Yeah,
clients, and you basically trading for your clients, and you have to ask them. You know what I'm saying, for permission for like, can I get $1 million to put on gold because you know what I'm saying, such and such. You gotta ask them type shit.
right.
You know, you get if your clients believe in your portfolio, they'll work with you type shit versus somebody else that trades in the stock exchange.
That makes sense. Let's see what we got. 9 more minutes. Hold on, right quick. Let me get my coffee right quick. Refrigerator.
Mhm. You see, you want some free shit. Free drugs, punch. And you, yeah, I ain't playing, bro. Bitch, you fucking stupid. That nigga Mike F stupid, dog. That nigga is stupid. That bitch said, "Who are you, Chris Brown?" Get the fuck out. Man, this dude is out of control, bro. Man, this dude is crazy. I just I start doing some shit. That motherfucker is crazy.
You are the one.
I'm done. That nigga stupid. I been saying you're ugly, go to the jail.
This is the ugliest they can.
Yeah, that was good. Nah, he went back to work.
Damn, what a shot.
Let's see, we got 3 more minutes. Three more minutes.
Yeah, sir.
Now 2 more minutes. The market about to do 2,000 points.
Let's see what time zone y'all in. My phone say 12:57.
It said 12 at 7, but it showed 2 minutes and the seconds counting down type shit. Let's see if I go to the 5 minute. See, we want to look at, what am I down more? Look at UJ. Okay. See what the fuck UJ gonna do. 2 minutes left.
Seeing GJ finally started running now. They did too much though. Did too much dust before it started running.
Nah, it did. Damn. That was a good call. That was a great call, boy. Shit. Yeah, call them buys 210. Yeah, I was contemplating on taking them hoes too. I missed my call.
Yeah, I figured it was gonna buy, but it kept playing with those lows. I was like, it
Yeah,
broke the low that I didn't want it to break.
right.
So I was like,
I see, it's trying to push down lower. Before the news dropped, they might know something already. 45 seconds left.
hey, you driving. The dollar about to get a boost.
That's what I'm about to see. What the dollar about to do? That's really what I need to look at. That's going to tell me everything. 30 seconds left.
Smooth. Turn that green tea like I actually. And what we got?
Nothing.
They wait for people to react to the news. Give it
Oh,
3,
oh,
2,
oh,
1, 0. What
oh.
happened?
It's falling. A dollar falling.
What you saying? UJ fall?
Yep. Dollar falling. So UJ supposed to be falling.
With the results was they cut the rate.
Mhm. I forgot
Yeah,
we got to talk
GJ
about.
busted. GJ busted.
My effectively dogging me out. Shit. Kept it the same. No cuts.
That's what we didn't we call it. They didn't know what
Mm-hmm.
they was gonna do, bro. I told you they wasn't gonna drop it, and you said they wasn't gonna push it up. So
Mm-hmm.
then, boom, we called it at the even, bro. Told you, son, they was not about to do that, bro. They wasn't about to play with that, bro. Cause I'm telling you, I'm looking at the way they pushing that man around. They made the man do like 3 of them. I know he ain't trying to cut it like that.
Mm-hmm. Not that
You
bad.
heard me? Then y'all playing with me, investigating me. Boy, I ain't about to do nothing.
Oh, shit. The dollar
What?
going up like a bill. Oh, snap.
Yeah, because it finally got a breather.
Oh,
That bitch
snap.
finally
Get
got
out
a
of here.
breather, bro.
Fuck that.
Bitch finally got a chance to breathe. Yeah, that bitch about to probably stink.
Oh, man.
Niggas not fucking with these cuts, boy. Everything dropping.
I'm getting out.
Everything is dropping, bro. The fact that nothing cut, niggas like, oh, they not cutting shit no more.
Man, that bitch up all the way up, boy.
When I say I don't see nobody reacting positively, nothing except UJ. You know what I mean? Like UJ, the only motherfucker happy type shit. Everybody else like, man, this some bullshit.
Mm.
Even gold like fuck this shit.
Yeah, you see
I'm
that?
just Fed's whole key interest rate steady. We already knew that though. That's crazy. We calling the interest rates.
Nah, man. Ain't no reason to
Man,
cut
we
it.
go crazy, bro. Hey, we go crazy, bro.
Mm-hmm.
We did that off our own gangster. You heard me?
Nah, fuck.
Big ass say, oh, well, they saying this and they saying that. Man, niggas
So we
just
can
know
read
what's
the temperature
happening.
of the market. Like, ain't no reason to cut right now. The market's making money off the cuts he did last year.
Right. Going crazy.
Like, go up another. Yeah, man.
That's crazy, bro.
I said gold has the biggest one-day dollar gain on record ever in
Hmm.
history.
Yeah, that's what I was saying, bro. That bitch blew me, son. Stupid ass. That
Right.
bitch blew me, son. How you get everybody out before you do that pussy ass shit? Make sure you do liquidity sweeps. Then did that shit. Bad, boy.
Mm, mm, mm.
That shit crazy, bro. Straight liquidity sweeps. I hope that bitch do the biggest drop record to date.
The biggest drop today. That'd be
Fuck.
crazy.
No, it'd be fire.
Biggest dollar gain and loss in one day.
Shit. Nah, I think that was yesterday it did that, huh? They said
Yeah,
seven.
I said 12 minutes ago, but yeah, probably yesterday.
But that bitch only did 120 today, it did the average.
Oh, okay.
Well, it went like 140 back. But yesterday that bitch did like 170. But don't you know no good?
The gold futures posted the largest one-day dollar gain in their history, rising by over 220 a troy ounce to
Mm,
53.01. So this the gold futures, not spot gold.
mm, mm. Shit, gold did
4.4%
the
gain.
same thing though.
Mhm. Oh, so which is the largest one-day percentage gain since March 2020.
Correct.
I heard that. Yeah, I was listening to some Trump say. He was like, "Yeah, man, we can't grow with a strong dollar. Like we need the dollar to be weak." He's like, "I don't want it to be weak. I just want it to be weaker. That's the only way we gonna get out of this shit, basically."
Right. Now that makes sense. Cause
Mhm.
we make all that, we giving them all that money that's worth so much. You feel
Yeah,
me? But we get
and when
weaker.
they wanna increase exports, and the only way people gonna wanna export a lot of our goods is if our dollar cheap to actually use that money to buy our goods. If the dollar cheap, or when they converting their money into our dollar to buy our shit, is way more cheaper for them. So they're like, you know what? I might fuck with them refrigerators from America instead of buying them from China. Maybe they might be a little better, even though they get made in China. Damn, UJ, boy,
They going up.
oh man, I
Look like
don't know
the
what he's trying to
dollar
do.
taking a breather.
Man, I don't know what he's trying to do. I don't want to play with it. I don't want to play with it. I think it's gonna go up to this fair value gap up to 154.4 up in that area. It should be a structure lower though on this based on this 1 hour. It should start to sell out. Like it shouldn't go no higher than 154.5 or 6. Like it shouldn't break that previous higher low yesterday at 4 a.m. Shouldn't break that if we in sales. So I'm just gonna monitor UJ like a hawk because I'm ready to hop in sales again. I want to add. I want that position to get stronger as it's dropping. So
Just watch the structure. If that bitch start breaking highs, the lower highs and shit, might as well just get out of it.
nah,
Save face.
facts. I'm gonna get out that big position I've been holding. I'm gonna just be like, fuck it, take it. I can have it. And what y'all now about to do is get all my money back. Fuck that.
Right.
I'm done with that shit. Nigga just took 100 pips from me today. Bitch. I ain't like that. Take the rest.
Like if that bitch start breaking them lower highs,
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's just a structure.
That 155 flat. Like it definitely don't need to be up there whatsoever.
Especially when they start closing up there.
Facts. Big fact. That's why I'm just gonna monitor that 1 hour. I really want a nice little bearish engulfing up here somewhere that'll really like, oh yeah, I'll go heavy on that bitch on sale. Yeah. So interest rates were unchanged. And we got gold trying to fight its way back over 5,300. Silver the same way. That bitch is up 2%, drop down to just 0.5%. Everything else is down. Bitcoin still trying to fight for a green day. Walmart only down to 0.5%. Oracle, yeah, they said they're doing bad, but they got a lot of debt. They're building up that debt. Dutch Bros up 1%. They fought for that shit too. Nvidia up 1.5%. ET up 1% fighting back. Baker Hughes. Baker Hughes up 1% via low TL down. CVX. I think the biggest loser was Rich Tech Robotics and USAR. USSR. It looks like Palantir too. Down negative 4% today. Down. Taking profits.
Fuck. Ridiculous.
Walmart boosts pay potential for pharmacy technicians. Elevates 3,000 roles. Yeah, them niggas about to go crazy, dog.
They did what?
Walmart boosts pay potential for pharmacy technicians and elevates 3,000 roles. Like, they're not hiring nobody, so they're working on the people that they already got. So that's a good thing. Like, they go through the, it's a pullback for sure, but Walmart
No,
up
we need to
130.
pull back. I need to go to 115, 114.
Yeah,
For real.
still
Like,
selling off as we talk.
I'm looking
It's
at
still dropping.
it. It's right at a line of support, I guess. They could break through and close.
Oh, they
Which,
said
this is
Amazon trying
only
to compete.
15 minutes though. And the P came up. The boy started dropping.
They said Amazon.com is closing dozens of Amazon Fresh physical stores and automated Amazon Go outlets to focus on expanding its same-day grocery deliveries to more locations and adding to its Whole Foods market operation. I thought for sure Walmart owned Whole Foods. I forgot Amazon bought them business. Say they want to open 100 more in the next few years.
Yeah, I didn't know that either. That's crazy. Like they started Whole Foods or they bought it.
They bought it. I want to say it was. I thought Whole Foods was like a subsidiary of Walmart. Like Walmart started that shit, and I don't see them selling it all to Amazon. But I guess I don't know. Might have to change
Hmm.
that shit, but they definitely got a lot of work to do because Walmart say some niggas got like 4,000 stores. Amazon, trying to open up another 100 in the next few years. Like, nigga, y'all got to open up another 1,000 to beat these niggas. I wouldn't even go. I wouldn't even try to play with that move. Man. Just focus on data centers and shit, like that grocery shit. That Walmart had.
Mm-hmm. They got Sam's.
Yeah,
Shit, only thing left is Ross's goddamn out here in New Orleans.
oh, they already shipped them too. They said Amazon is testing new retail formats, including a roughly 230,000 square foot super center concept in Chicago opening in 2027 that will offer groceries, household products, and general merchandise. Damn. That nigga said we gone for what's that movie? Oh, that's you seen Idiocracy?
No.
Oh man. A lot of people saying they ain't see that movie. You gotta go watch that shit. That shit,
What happened?
it kind of just like on some like comedy, some funny shit. I kind of want to watch it right now. But it kind of show you or give you like an idea what the future of the world could go ahead to if we like continue to let computers think for us and do everything for us, and we just become lazier and lazier and lazier. That shit is funny as hell. But they got a scene in that bitch where they got Costco, like a super Costco, and that bitch like the size of like 10 airports. Like that whole dumbass big. Like they sell like horses in there and cattle and fucking cars. Like they sell everything in one store at Costco. So that shit had me think about Amazon building a big ass thing in Chicago.
Bro,
Bro, you gotta watch that shit. That shit funny as hell. That shit is funny.
Yeah, we got Costco. We got a Costco.
Yeah. Let's see. Share. But yeah, man. The market
Yeah.
came, it saw, and it conquered.
Okay. What a day. It was chill NFT day. People thought it was gonna be something.
Yeah. We are done. I guess there's no more news. I know they got a conference going on, a press conference for the Fed right now. I mean, at 11 minutes at 1:30, but we'll see if any more news, if any more volume come out of that in the market. But other than that, man, then we're gonna wrap it up. It was a so-so day today. Wasn't too much really going on. A lot of pullbacks, a lot of fake outs, but overall just
Walmart down to 116.
down to 116. Damn, everybody on 115 for sure.
Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, we're gonna be watching that.
Yeah, we watch that bitch too. See if it go to 114. But yeah, man. Other than that, we're probably like I said, we got unemployment news tomorrow, so we probably hop on the live a little early tomorrow. Just chop it up. Talk about the future, if anything. But yeah, we'll be back tomorrow.
Sure.
Hear me? All right, brother.
All right, bro. What?
Peace.